I am so sorry, but
said Keep.
I guess it's okay.
Said Bird.
I can fix my nest. No,
Said Keep.
we can fix your nest. Let's look for some new sticks.
Bird and Keep looked for new sticks. They found some in the park. They found some on the boardwalk. Then Keep found a fancy stick, and it was in a car.
Vroom!
Said Keep.
What are you doing, Keith?
Asked Bird.
I am a race car driver.
Said Keep.
Don't be silly, Keith.
Said Bird.
You are not a race car driver. Come on, Bird.
Said Keep.
Let's go for a ride. I don't want to drive in a car.
Said Bird.
Cars go too fast. But we are just pretending.
Said Keep.
Oh, okay.
Said Bird.
Why not?
Bird climbed into the car. Suddenly, it started to move.